Hello and welcome back to the ROS2 New Features course. During section 1, we learned the reason why ROS2 is being developed and the advantages over ROS1, along with the installation process necessary to start working by yourselves. Now, let's begin with section 2, working with the command line interface. In this section, we are going to be working with the core concepts of ROS, using the command line, like nodes, topics, and messages. But now, let's see what a node is. As a recap of ROS concepts, a node is a minimal entity with ROS, where you put a code that performs a specific action, and that code communicates to other nodes. Connections between nodes are established through the distributed discovery process that we have seen in section 1. Nodes may be located in the same process, in different processes, or on different machines. In order to compare how nodes work between ROS versions, we need to review some concepts from ROS1. In ROS1, you can write your code either as a ROS node or as a ROS nodelet. ROS1 nodes are compiled into executables. ROS1 nodelets, on the other hand, are compiled into a shared library, which is then loaded at runtime by a container process. Speaking about transportation efficiency, ROS nodes uses TCP-ROS and UDP-ROS to send and receive information. However, ROS nodelets are designed to provide a way to run multiple algorithms on a single machine, in a single process, without incurring copy costs when passing messages intra-process. In ROS2, the recommended way of writing your code is similar to a nodelet. We will call it a component. By making the process layout a deploy time decision, the user can choose between running multiple nodes in a separate process with the benefit of process fault isolation, as well as easier debugging of individual nodes, and running multiple nodes in a single process with a lower overhead and optionally more efficient communication. This is called intra-process communication. Additionally, ROS2 launch can be used to automate these actions through specialized launch actions. Keep in mind that it is still possible to use the node-like style of writing your own main, but for the common case, it is not recommended. We have two ways of launching ROS nodes, and these are with these two instructions. Let's see the differences between these two. Let's see what we can do with ROS2 run adding -h flag. With this command, you can only run an executable from the selected package. And with this command, you can run multiple nodes and specify whether they are going to be in the same process or not. Let's run some examples. We will start running a single node. In this case, the executable dummy laser is going to be executed, and this belongs to the dummy sensors package. Now, let's see the nodes that are running, and we can see, effectively, the dummy laser node. Let's check information about this node. And we can see, for example, the subscribers and publishers. And this is the message that we care about, since this node what it does is to publish fake laser information. And lastly, for multiple nodes, let's see now the amount of nodes that this launch file executed is 5. And these are these ones.